Okay. So we're using Arizona green tea for shots.
Oh my god, this burp, it tastes like so bad.
Okay.
Who's gonna do the intro?
So, we are doing the Fort Soundboard Challenge inspired by the Holy Trinity, aka Grace Helvig, Hannah Hart, and Mamie Hart. So basically, we have this soundboard.
We're gonna make inappropriate jokes with it.
With different names of
Fart sounds.
And we're gonna play it.
And kind of, whoever laughs.
And if you laugh at the sound, you
Oh,
have to drink. And if you laugh at the name, you also have to drink.
Should we?
it's Allison.
My name is Allison. That's Zara, that's Alexa.
Okay, go.
The C flat.
The C flat.
So, for this next assortment, it will be called the Anus Madness.
Fun fact of the day, I hate green tea.
I am returning.
Oh, the mom is back! The doggy mom! Oh, I don't want to do this. This is so disgusting to me.
Poo. You didn't like green tea.
This one is called Oprah Winfrey.
I'm good. I'm good. Jobs are just handed out like Oprah Winfrey's.
Stop stalling. Stalling.
I didn't pass it.
I'm getting really
Alright,
hard.
I'm ready.
This one is called Would You Like Ketchup? Would you like some ketchup?
Would you like to catch up with your mustard?
It's like when you're putting some ketchup on your fries and it's kind of running out.
The pre-cum ketchup.
Looks left. Yes! Okay.
That's mine, you know. You hole.
It's called. I'm gonna give you a second. I'm figuring this out. Slide trombone.
Oh my god, it really does sound like a song from her.
Which way do you? Which way do you do that?
I'm good, I didn't.
Okay, fine.
This one is called Squat Thrust. Are you ready?
Oh my
Oh, I'm pulling out my pants. I look like a hobo.
Well, I mean, you're wearing Star Trek. Star Wars.
I hate tea.
I think. Oh my god, I know what I'm doing next.
She's getting ready. Ready. Ready.
This one's called Uh-oh.
Stop when it says oh.
Like,
Uh-oh. Oh.
uh-oh. You projectile spitted. Spitted. Oh, you laughed. Uh-oh. It's like, uh-oh.
I don't have anything before.
That's like...
This one's called Weed Eater.
What? That sounds like a lot.
Weed eater.
That's what a weed eater is. Okay,
I didn't laugh. I have four.
She's good at this, dueling buckles.
Where'd it go? This one is called I Think I Can, on the can. Thomas the Train! This is gonna be me! Right now! Thomas the Train, ready? Chicka 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 chicka.
Alright, this one's called Goo Goo Doo Doo.
I'm gonna win this challenge.
You're a soulless person. No sense of humor.
I'm an adult. I don't laugh at fart noises anymore.
You're literally 6 years old.
Oh yeah, why do you have 3, 4?
Missed.
Oh,